gonna go ahead and get my Confidence Bronzer by Command Cosmetics. You can use any bronzer, but this one is specifically formulated like exactly for this. And then I am going to go ahead and use the brush that goes with it because it just makes it easy to get into those little areas and it will blend things perfectly. I'm gonna start with kind of like a patch of this product. Now, the nice thing is that if your skin is lighter, so for example, I'm pretty tan for like how I usually am. If your skin is lighter, this is a totally buildable bronzer. So what I can do is I can go ahead and pat some on and then blend it out from there. And you'll see that the color on this side will be a lot less dramatic than the color on this side. So, but since I am a little bit darker than usual, I am going to go ahead and add another layer. From here, I want to make like a half circle because that's naturally how shadows would fall on our body. I'm just going to slowly pat on a little bit more, blend it out. And I'll put it really light right here. I'm actually kind of really liking the patting effect, like the little tapping effect, because then I know that I'm not adding too much. I never put too big of an area because I want to be able to blend it, because the color is going to stay put all day even if you jump in the pool. And then what I would do from here is the same thing. So I would do the same thing going backwards, where I'm going to make it darker here, and it's gonna go lighter as it goes that way. You can see the difference right now between this one, which is done, and this one, which I did really light. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. I'm gonna use a mixture of circular and straight motions with the brush. It's so easy that even if you don't wear makeup every day, you can figure this out. Obviously, you could go ahead and add 1,000 more layers to this to make it ridiculously dramatic, but for my purposes of showing you how to do it, I think that covers it. Personally, I like to add a line here because it also makes it look more defined. For this, I'm going to use straight line motions because I do want that to be a straight line. After it sets just a little bit, I start bringing it out with this blending motion. And that's how I contour my stomach. However you want your waist to look and however you naturally would have this shade fall on your body is how you're gonna do it. It's really just, each person has their own favorite thing.